Good morning. I am heading up towards the Dog Stream Waterfall. I'm in Hanmer Springs. My wife and I went to the springs yesterday, and I was gonna climb Mt Isobel this morning, but there's still quite a bit of snow on there. I'm not super prepared, so I'm heading towards the waterfall, get some landscape photos. It's about 1,200 feet of gain up to the waterfall though, in like a mile and a half, like 2 kilometers. So that'll be fun. About a half hour in. A lot of elevation gain on here, but I think I'm a little bit over halfway. It's very damp. Again, welcome to New Zealand. That little viewpoint was really nice. You can see the waterfall up there. You can see down towards the springs down there. The sun's coming out. Hopefully it hits the waterfall by the time I get up there. That would be nice. Sweet. Lovely little waterfall there. Almost to the main waterfall. Had some nice bridge crossings, some nice stairs, man. They do work on some of these tracks. Coming around the corner, I can see the falls. I am not gonna have a lens wide enough for this. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I took a few photos. I didn't bring my normal tripod because of the change of plans, so I had to like get this little tiny tripod way down low. I've got some phone clips that I'll kind of put. It's kind of scooshed down on the ground. I'm glad I was able to get an angle on it. All my photos were with the Sony 20-70 f4, which is probably my new favorite lens. It's great, sharp, light. At about 20 mil. It would have been nice to bring the 14, but no, change of plans. So I made do with what I got. They were all like f8, f11, like an eighth of a second, quarter of a second. Focus on either the waterfall or the rock in front. But yeah, I'm really happy with what I got. I think I'm gonna head down here soon. Saw a couple more people. I think more are gonna come up, and I'm kind of self-conscious still after a few years of making videos. But man, this is a great little hike. Alright, well, thanks for watching. A little bit shorter video here. This is really nice. I'm going to head back down, have my wife pick me up, and head back to Christchurch. So, thanks for watching. Definitely recommend this. Do the YouTube like, subscribe thing, and I'm sure I'll have some more little videos here and there. Thanks.